Sometimes you may notice that some properties in your data transfer objects have quite similar decorators from the class-validator library. For such cases, it will be useful to create our own custom decorators. As an example, let's create our own IsNumber decorator, which will be able to receive min and max optional arguments. Then let's add some default values for these arguments. Then we need to import a function applyDecorators from NestJS/common, and we need base validation decorators from class-validator library. And finally, we just need to pass desired validation decorators to applyDecorators function and return a result of this execution. That's it. Our custom IsNumber validation decorator is done. Now we can use that where we need it. And to customize that, we just need to pass an options object with specific min max values.